Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to delete Trading212 account. When you delete your account, you won't be able to reactivate your account, but you can open a new account after you delete your account. To delete your Trading212 account, first open your Trading212 application on your mobile phone. Now make sure that you are logged into your account. Now here you'll be taken to your home page. Now tap on three lines on down right corner. Then scroll down and look for settings. Now tap on settings. Now tap on my account option at first. Now here you can see your personal details. Now tap on account details option. Then here you can see your account details. Now tap on close account option at down. With this, now here you need to confirm that you wish to close your account. So tap on confirm account closer. Then tap on OK. With this, your agreement with Trading212 will be terminated by mutual consent. After you do so, your account will be deleted. Now you'll receive a confirmation email. So open your Gmail application or your mail application. With this, now on the inbox you will see Trading212 mail. Now tap on the given mail. With this, here you can see that Trading212 account has been closed. This is how we can delete Trading212 account. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.